Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Information. Today we are going to discuss about the important, smallest and the largest organ in human body. Now starting from the video, smallest unit of body is cell, which controls all the function of the body. Largest organ of the body is skin, where is present all over the body. Largest cell of the body in female is ovum, which help in the reproduction. Largest cell in male is neuron. Smallest cell in the male is sperm, and the largest internal organ of the liver, which liver helps in the detoxification of the toxic substance. And the largest gland of the body is liver. Largest endocrine gland of the body is thyroid gland. Smallest endocrine gland of the body is pineal gland. Pineal gland, it is the biological clock. It is said that the pineal gland is the biological clock, which means the third eye of the man. When we wake up in the morning, the pineal gland is responsible that we wake up in time. It gives the message, pineal gland give message to the brain, and it tells us that we have to wake up at 5 a.m. or any time. Largest cranial nerve is vagus nerve, which is called as the 10th cranial nerve, and the largest cranial nerve of the body is trigeminal nerve, which is 5th cranial nerve. Smallest cranial nerve is trochlear nerve, which is 4th cranial nerve. Largest and the longest nerve of the body is sciatic nerve. Longest and the strongest bone of the body is femur. Smallest bone of the body is steps, which is present in the ear. Largest sesamoid bone is the patella, and the largest muscle of the body is gluteus muscle. It is the muscle which is present in the hip region, in which the IM injection is given, and the deltoid muscle is found in the shoulder region, in which it is also the site where we give the IM injection. The smallest muscle of the body is stapedius, and the largest phagocytic cell is monocyte. Largest leukocyte is the monocyte. Phagocyte cells means the which helps in the killing of the foreign microorganism. It acts as the which kills the foreign microorganism. Largest lymphoid organ of the body is spleen. Spleen is also called the blood bank of the blood because spleen helps in the stores of the blood. It stores the blood. It helps in the storage of blood. During the deficiency of blood, like the condition anemia, spleen use the from the body use the blood from the spleen. Largest salivary gland of the parotid gland. Salivary gland is the gland that produces saliva secretion. Smallest salivary gland is sublingual gland. Largest artery in human body is aorta. You have to remember all these things because it is very important to all the competitive examination. Smallest artery is called arteriole. Smallest vein of the body is vena cava. Smallest vein of the body is venules. Largest part of the brain is cerebellum. Largest part of the brain is cerebellum, but functional part is cerebellum. Intelligent part of the brain is cerebellum. Smallest part of the brain is the midbrain. Largest carpal bone is the capitate. Smallest carpal bone is pisiform. Largest joint of the body is the knee joint. Smallest joint of the body is inducostapedial bone, which is between, it is present in the, this joint is present in between the incus steps in the ear. And the largest papillae is the palate. Smallest papillae is the filiform, and the largest cell organelle is the nucleus. Nucleus is the part where it controls all the other cell organelles. Largest cavity of the body is abdominal point. Largest serous membrane is peritoneum membrane. Serous membrane is the membrane which secretes fluid, which help in the lubrication of the different parts of the body. Largest commissure fiber is the corpus callosum. It connects the two hemisphere, half right hemisphere and half left hemisphere. Left and right hemisphere is connected by this commissure fiber, which is called corpus callosum. And the largest vertebra is lumbar vertebra. They are 5 in number. The number of the lumbar are the 5. Smallest vertebra is the cervical vertebra, which is present around the cervix collarbone. Cervical vertebra is also called the collar vertebra. Largest chamber of the heart is the left ventricle. Largest chamber of the heart is the left atrium. Longest part of the GI tract is the small intestine. Largest lymphatic cavity in body is thoracic duct. Largest bone of the cavity in body is thoracic cavity. Largest lobe of the liver is right liver. And in is this longest part of the GI tract is small intestine, but the largest part of the GI tract is large intestine. It is determined by the length of the whether it is longest or largest part of the GI tract. It is determined by the length. In determination of the length, longest part is small intestine, and in determination of size, largest part, which means largest part, is called large intestine. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. If there is any comment consideration this video, please comment. Thank you.